YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in once again. This is Matt. I am back with another video. Before we go into today's video, I have to do what I always do and just thank everyone who's been liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting on the videos. Really appreciate the interaction. Couldn't do it without you guys. Today I am here with a banger, folks, with another banger. This was supposed to be in my top 10 of 2020, but they didn't come in time. So without further ado, we're going to jump right into this shoe. Off rip, you see the box is trashed completely. Let me stand up real quick. The box is trashed. But we're not here for the box. We're here for the shoe. And what we have here, damn. Whoo. See these, we have the yellow toe questions. Let me put these down real quick. I don't even need the box. But yes, ladies and gentlemen, we have the yellow toe Reebok questions. That was a sample that was made for Kobe Bryant when he was doing his shoe tour, when he was a shoe free agent. These released in December and were sold out really quickly. I actually ordered them on GOAT to try to get them ahead of time, but you know, shipping, UPS, can't depend on it all the time, but they came and I'm pleasantly surprised. But just bring it to the camera so you guys can see it. Whoa. Boom. Let it focus. Nothing too crazy. It is just a normal question. Only thing I would have done different is put the 8 on the back instead of the 3. But besides that, it's a very simple shoe, very clean shoe. Yellow Reebok on the bottom. The Reebok symbol on the side. Reebok spelled out. Now, one cool thing about this, I don't know if you can see it, but hold on one second. It has like the Reebok sample date on there, and it's just for it says Shoe Polish Promo 12/8/2002. Again, that is the year that Kobe was a sneaker free agent, so he was just going around testing out different shoes. I am very happy to have these in the collection. The suede on the toe box is super smooth. Definitely will be spraying that down with some Rejuvenator, just so when I do wear them, I don't scuff them up, because it's probably going to be pretty hard to get that clean. Yo, I'm super excited to have this shoe. I actually have the other Kobe sample, the purple toe. Major difference with this one is that it's leather on the toe box, and it has the number 8 on the back. That's a definite, I wish that one would have had it. And it just has Reebok sample, well, promo sample in there. Again, another dope shoe. But yeah, man, I don't know really what more I can say about it, man. If you was a Iverson fan or a Kobe fan, this is a good shoe to have in your collection. Before I go, though, I do want to let people know, if you do decide to try to buy these or any questions, you want to probably go like a size up, because in previous questions from prior years, I was able to wear an 11.5 in these, the red toes, but with the gold, I need a 12. And a 12 is like right here, so you might get your size, like a half a size up to a full size up maybe, I'm not sure. But yeah, man, super excited about this shoe. Don't know when or where I'm going to wear it. I do have a Kobe jersey to go with this, but I don't know yet. Again, I want to ask everybody to please like the video, subscribe, share, comment, positive or negative. Do you like these shoes? Were you able to get them? Did you even know about them? A lot of people were, you know, not people I know didn't know a lot about them, but, you know, it's neither here nor there. Again, thank you everybody who's been following the journey. I really appreciate you. I'm going to leave you guys with a couple shots of the sneaker. Once again, thank you for tuning in. Catch you later.